Hello friend, today we are going to download and install Postman. For that you have to just open your browser and search for Post. Here just click Postman download and after that click on enter. And here you can see the first link, just click here. And after that you can see it will detect your machine and here you have download option. Just click on download. It will start downloading. Now after download just click on show in folder and here you can see the icon of Postman. Just click on it, double click on it and it will start installing. Okay, I just minimize this. Now after that you can see our Postman is successfully installed. Now from here you can create your free account, you can sign in or you can just skip. I just click on skip and after that just create your account. Now after that click on sign in. Now here you have sign in option. You can just provide email and password if you have, and you can just click on sign in with Google. I just click on sign in with Google. Okay, now after that just click on your ID. Now after that just click and accept the term and condition. If you want to read the term and condition, just read. Okay, I just accepted. Now after that just click on open Postman. Now our Postman is ready to go. Just provide your name here first. I provide bro learner and after that select the role and after that click on continue. And here if you want to collaborate with your teammates, just provide the teammate email ID or you can invite your teammate with the help of this. I just use continue without team because I don't have any team. Okay, now just click on let's go. This is how you can download and install Postman and how you can log in and sign in Postman. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.